Welcome back to Siri Bites. Today we'll be talking about the cellular basis of life. What does it mean to be alive? Biology is the study of life, and there are several properties of life that can help us distinguish living things or organisms from non-living things. In general, organisms can reproduce, grow, and develop, obtain and use matter and energy for life's functions, respond to their environment, maintain a stable internal environment, are based on a universal genetic code, undergo evolution at the population's level, and are made up of basic units called cells. Cells are the basis of life on Earth. Cells are small living things, membrane-enclosed structures that form the basis of life on Earth. All organisms are made up of one or more cells. Multicellular organisms are made up of many cells. The cells in multicellular organisms are often specialized to carry out specific functions. Unicellular organisms are made up of one cell. Most unicellular organisms live their entire lives as a single cell. However, some types of unicellular organisms, such as vortex algae, cluster together to form a colonial. I'm sorry, I don't pronounce that right, but colonial organism in which certain cells take on as specialized functions. And this is an amoeba, which is a unicellular organism, and this is a butterfly and a flower, which are both multicellular organisms. Cells are on the smaller unit of life. The cell is the smallest unit of organization that can form all the activities required for life. For example, cells use and copy genetic material, communicate with each other and in their environments, and are sites of life's chemical reactions. Cells contain a variety of molecules and subcellular structures, which allow them to carry out these processes. All cells come from other cells. All cells are produced from existing cells. Cell reproduction occurs through the process of cell division. During cell division, one cell grows in size, copies its parts, and then splits into two independent cells that have the same genetic material. This is a cell dividing in two. See this? This used to be one big cell, and they split in half. Cell theory summarizes the cellular basis of life. The information described above is summarized by cell theory, which is a fundamental theory in biology. Cell theory explains what scientists have observed over time to be true for all cells. Cell theory includes three main concepts. All living organisms are made up of one or more cells. Cells are the smallest unit of structure and function for an organism. All cells come from other cells. Well, that's it for today's video, guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!